Hi everyone, I'm Szenan-Balance from Szenan-Balance, the acupuncturist. Now, I have posted some photo about the result of acupuncture treating structure issues, especially scoliosis and lumbar disc herniations case on the Facebook, and some of you asked me what is JIYI Acupuncture, because those case I put a note on it, and it's actually using JIYI Acupuncture technique. And some of you asked me what is JIYI Acupuncture, and the others asked me what is the difference between JIYI Acupuncture and balance method acupuncture and muscle tongue acupuncture. Then I told I said I'm going to do a live video for you and to explain what JIYI Acupuncture. Now, basically, JIYI Acupuncture is the founder of JIYI Acupuncture is Master Chaolong Liu Chaolong in Chinese we call it. And I'm gonna show you some case that I have to tell you this is not my case. It is a student case that posted on our study group. When they learn it, and then they post some case on WeChat. We have a lot of WeChat study group that, and after workshop, and we still catch up together and discuss case and share what they've been treated and back to the clinic. You probably see that one. Let me show you again. That's the one you have seen. Okay, you can see that before treatment and after. Okay, that's about three times of JIYI Acupuncture technique, and I can show you a few more. Here you can see, and that's before, that's after. There's another one. Here you go. That's the difference. Okay. Now they are more and more bowel palsy. Here you go. You see the difference? Okay, I'll show you some more. This is just one-time treatment. Okay, on the same day, the patient walking like this, and after one treatment, it become like this. That is how quick JIYI Acupuncture can do. And this is scoliosis. It's 4-time treatment. Okay, 4 treatments. Okay, let's see more. This is 3-time treatment. Okay, 3 treatment. Okay, there's some cupping, but we don't use cupping on those cases. Okay, this is just they've been to other places, do some cupping. Okay, so that's after 3 treatment. There's just 1 treatment, as you can see. So all this, there are many cases. There are more. Here you go. I have more. I have a lot more actually. I can show you a lot more. This is just 1 treatment, as you can see. There is before and after. There are a lot more cases. Some of them in video, as you can see. Another one I'm going to show you quickly. That have some X-ray that to show. Okay. Let's show you some video that you can see. That is before, and that's after. Do you see what is the difference? There's one within 1 treatment. And let's see whether we have any others. Yes, we do have. there's another cases. Oops, how do I do this? I'm gonna show you some video. Okay, yeah, this is very good video. It's a lot of picture together. Oh, you probably can see clearly in here that person come in with walking stick. There are a lot more. Let's see this one. Okay. That is before. That's after. They walk out and come in, laying down and come in with on the table. And just one treatment, then he can just walk out of the treatment room. So laying down and coming to a treatment room and walk out of the treatment room. Okay. Now, what is JIYI Acupuncture? We just mentioned that it's actually created by Master Cao Long Liu, and Master Liu is so young. Okay, we both together study acupuncture spirit under Master Pan Xiaochuan. Then he got inspired from the theory of Pan Xiaochuan. Of course, he was. He told me that he learned a lot in the past. Same as me, I learned a lot of techniques. And then when he met Master Pan, and Master Pan inspired him, and the theory that Master Pan talked about and show us in the class, and he just blow his mind, and then he start to get everything together, then create JIYI Acupuncture. So what is JIYI Acupuncture? Basically, JIYI Acupuncture only needle one side. What I say only needle one side? Let's talk about how it the diagnose. Okay, so basically when we do acupuncture, we always ask, right? We ask, if you do balance method acupuncture, we ask where is the pain, right? So we use meridian to diagnose. We diagnose where is the pain and where the pain is on which meridians, and then we use a balanced meridian acupuncture 2 and then acupuncture 3. We choose the point, right? We ask patient and let them show us where is the area of the pain, of the issues, right? And same as Master Tang's acupuncture. So you ask, okay? You don't take the pulse. You don't only take the pulse, and you don't diagnose them by looking, right? So the beauty of JIYI Acupuncture, the special of JIYI Acupuncture in here, the difference between JIYI Acupuncture with others acupuncture. I'm gonna find a picture to show you. By looking, okay, we make the diagnose by looking. By look, okay. Now in Chinese, when we talk about 望闻问切, right? We use 望, which look. I'm gonna show you how we look, how you diagnose. Okay, as a very simple one. I thought I have one picture in here to show you. I might not have it in here. Yes, I do. Okay, go. We lay the patient down. Sorry, this is in Chinese. And we look at the leg. So you see that leg is going to the outside. The foot is pointing to the outside, right? And the other is pointing more straight. By looking on the leg, on the foot, how it presents, then we make a simple diagnose. And this diagnose is the leg that pointing outside is yang foot. The leg that is pointing more straight is yin foot. That's it. That is our diagnose. Very simple. Everyone can follow. It doesn't require you to take pose. That's it. Then JIYI have JIYI point, okay? And JIYI point, it comes with 5 element different point. It could be water in, water yang, water in, Jun, or water in, Chen point, 2 different point on the leg. And on the head is fire point. It can be, it comes with fire yang point, fire in point. Okay, so when you diagnose the, when you look at the leg, you can diagnose yin and yang. Yang means you have to needle the yang point, yang meridian, on the yang side. Okay, that is a difference. In, you only allow to needle the in meridian on the inside. Now you can start. Get your patient lay down and get them to relax their leg. If your patient right leg is pointing to the outside more, compare with the right, then you only needles Szenan-Balance on the right, and the left is pointing more straight, which means in foot. Then you only needle in Ling Quan on the left. Now you only try those 2 points and let me know what's the results. Okay, and you find very differently. Now in JIYI Acupuncture, we only needle one side. With yang, and only needle one side. And never go to the left side for Szenan-Balance because it's on stomach meridian, because it is yang meridian. Because our diagnosis, the left side is in foot. Alright. So if you needle left side on Szenan-Balance and you needle right side on Szenan-Balance as well, and that's wrong in JIYI Acupuncture, because you get less results for that. Okay, so if you needle the same point on both sides, that's gonna reduce the results, reduce the effect. So this is the theory of JIYI Acupuncture. So with JIYI Acupuncture, when you learn JIYI Acupuncture, you can combine all other methods together, but you have to know what is the diagnosis in JIYI Acupuncture, and then you can use other points, other methods point into JIYI Acupuncture, so you can combine other methods as well. But definitely not treating your patient on both sides, needle the same point together. So that is the special highlight spot for JIYI Acupuncture. Okay. And the other asked me about what is the difference between JIYI Acupuncture and other acupuncture. This is the difference, the biggest difference in here, and is you make a diagnosis by look. You only needle one side, and yep. Balance method acupuncture and tongue acupuncture, we always needle the distal point. And JIYI Acupuncture is different. Alright, you may needle on the distal point or on a local point. When I say local point, it doesn't mean it's on the pain area. Okay, if the pain is over here, it doesn't mean we needle here, but we may needle, like, okay, when the pain is over the hand, we will treat the hand as well. We may needle the hand according to the diagnosis. According to the diagnosis. So diagnosis is the first. It's the most important thing. We may needle hand, but not exactly on this point. Needle on here. Okay? So this is JIYI Acupuncture. Now, some of you ask me, where can you learn JIYI Acupuncture? Now, and some of you contact me as well. Can I learn it? Whether there is any JIYI Acupuncture workshop in English? Yeah, unfortunately there is none yet. Alright, there is none yet. All JIYI Acupuncture is in Chinese at the moment. Now, since a lot of people ask, so we have a workshop coming up in Malaysia in March 2020. Then it was planning for just Chinese, because a lot of people ask from Indonesia, from Australia, New Zealand, and Europe and America. So for you guys, you able to join into Malaysia workshop. If we can get 10 people into Malaysia workshop, we will be able to get a translator to translate the class, the workshop, into English. So I have put a contact in this video about it, that you can contact Alicia Point. The WhatsApp's ID is on here, okay? Or you can just leave your name under this video and let me know that you want to join, and my team will contact you and let you know what is the time, where it's gonna be, and how much it's gonna cost. All right. We're gonna invite who's to go. Master Liu was in here and teaching about 28 people JIYI Acupuncture for New Zealand acupuncturists. It was in Chinese, and we're planning next week. No, next year we're planning in English as well for New Zealand acupuncturists and Australian acupuncturists. We're gonna bring invite Master Liu to Australia as well. So if you're interested in JIYI Acupuncture workshop in English, so please comment in this video and let me know where you come from, and we will contact you. And also, I would like you to join our Facebook group. In the group, we can discuss more, because and how to treat. If you want cases, live video of balance method acupuncture, and then once I finish this all balance method, I try to do